I'm Sam MacMaster, the Corporate Director of Clinical Operations here at Promises and oversee the operations of the ranch. Many of you have reached out and asked if you could come and help the ranch clean up. The reality is we're okay. We're functioning, we've lost some buildings, we'll be all right. The ranch has been around for 21 years, offering recovery, helping people to develop their resilience as they move through difficult situations in their lives. Literally thousands of people have found healing at the ranch, and we want to help our community heal. At this time, we're fairly focused on patient care and taking care of the patients that rode out the storm with us and are doing okay. We were very fortunate not to have lost any human life. Our staff was very heroic and literally got people out right in the nick of time before something much worse could have happened. We did lose some buildings, but we're open, we're still functioning. Our nearby community of Waverly, Tennessee has been absolutely devastated. Those of you that are alumni know that many of our staff live in Waverly. Many of the meetings that you attended were in Waverly. We are very connected to Waverly, Tennessee. We want to help that community rise up. The loss of life, the loss of property there is unbelievable. So this Sunday, we're having our first volunteer program there. We invite you as alumni, we invite you as friends of the ranch, we invite you as people in the community that care about recovery and want to help Waverly rise up to join us at 10 a.m. The details are in the Evite below, and we'll continue to do this until Waverly is made whole and is truly on the path to recovery. It's been absolutely overwhelming to receive the phone calls, emails, social media posts that many of you have already sent out with well wishes. We're so grateful and aware in a very different way of how the ranch has really touched people's lives and how connected people are to the healing that occurs there. We're grateful for that, and we're grateful that everyone has taken their time. While we talk about thoughts and prayers as being the least people can do, it's been very meaningful to us during this time. Thank you again for everything.